Very good morning all. Myself Dr. R. Sendilkumaran, Assistant Professor from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Katangulathur campus. Today we are going to see a new course named Cryptography and Network Security, which is an elective for our department. But as far as CSE is concerned, CSE and other allied departments is concerned, it may be a core course. But in our regulation, 2021 regulation, this course Cryptography Network Security comes under elective course, right? So we are very much happy that you people had opted this course. The course Cryptography Network Security. Your course code was given it as 21 ECE 2240. You know the meaning for this. 21 is nothing but 21 regulation, and EC is for Electronics and Communication Engineering, and E stands for it's an elective. It's the name of course was given, and it's a purely of theoretical course, right? So what are all the course out? The general course outline of all the 5 units was I'm going to discuss now. The first unit is specifically meant for conventional and modern encryption along with the block ciphers, various ciphers that we are going to see. As far as cryptography is concerned, the first thing is we have to secure our messages. In day-to-day life, we people are using mobiles and some other devices, and we are connecting. Suppose if we are going to some railway station, there also we are some Wi-Fi is free Wi-Fi is opted, right? There also we are going to connect our device, but we are not bothering about the security. So few people are bothering about the security, but few cases we are not bothering about the security thing. So those network security, I mean the security part purely of security part, that is in email security and web security and system security part will be discussed on unit 4 and 5. Whereas the first 3 units mainly focused on how we are going to, what are all the various encryption techniques available, and how we are going to do the encryption, and what are all the basic algorithms available. The in unit 1 is mainly about various conventional encryption techniques and DES. DES stands for data encryption standard. Along with this, we are going to discuss the advanced encryption standard, that is the AES, and the IDEA algorithm, Blowfish algorithm, RC5, and CAST 120 algorithm. These are some of the algorithms that we are going to discuss in this. Along with this, we are going to focus on the key. So how we are going to share the key. In order to do the encryption, we need certain key, right? So those things will be discussed in the upcoming sessions. In as far as unit 2 is concerned, it is about public key crypto systems, that is some number theory. So you people had heard this algorithm RSA, so reverse Shamir and Adelman algorithm, as well as we are going to discuss about the Diffie-Hellman key exchange. We are going to use same key or different key, that will comes under symmetric and asymmetric cryptographic techniques. So those things will also be will discussed in unit 2, and in unit 3 is about various authentication protocols. We people are using mobile, but we are using some pin numbers or face recognition or some pattern. So like that we are going to secure our device, right? What we can call these things? That means your fingerprint or pin number or your pattern or whatever, face recognition, whatever it may be. Those things will comes under some authentication. That is the intended authentication. User can able to operate those things. So authentication protocols, hash function, and MAC algorithms will be discussed on unit 3. I will tell what is a hash algorithm and MAC algorithm. So MAC stands for message authentication code, right? So hash algorithm. So hash algorithm is nothing but it will produce a constant bit of output. So whatever input you are giving, it will produces only the constant bit of output. Maybe suppose if your input along with the key size may be of 128, right? So suppose consider your plain text is 128. I will tell what is plain text. Don't worry. So suppose if your input is 128 bits and your key size is 64 bits, so then but you can able to extract the output as some, let it be of 56 bits. It's just I'm saying for example, it's not a mandatory thing. It should be a 56 or a 64 or 128, right? Just for an example, I'm saying it will produce a constant bit of output that we can call it as an hash function. So along with hash function, we had some other algorithm was there, MD5 algorithm, message digest. Version 4 was there, version 5 is there. In your syllabus it was given MD5, message digest 5 was given. So along with this, one more algorithm was there. It's a very important algorithm, SHA algorithm, that is secure hash algorithm is there. Then along with this, the last part of your unit 3 is Kerberos. That is nothing but some authentication service. So how we are going to before transmitting message, we cannot able to directly send the message. Further, some process was there, so we are going to get the ticket. Ticket is nothing but some authentication thing that we are using in this Kerberos. And the last two units, as I stated earlier, the last two units, that is unit 4 and 5, is specifically meant for what we people are daily using, right? Maybe of email security. We don't know about IP. We heard about IP, right? In our every PC or system or every device, we are having certain IP. So IP security, how we are going to provide IP security, and we people are connected frequently in a web, right? So how we are going to provide that web security? We people are making some electronic transaction also, some net banking or whatever it may be. So how we are going to support for this secure electronic transaction? Those things comes under unit 4. And the last final unit is specially meant for system security. We are going to discuss about various malicious softwares, viruses, worms, as well as the firewalls. So how the firewall protected from the unauthorized user, or from how the firewall gets blocked by some untrusted site. Right. So these things, this is a overview of entire 5 units. Those things will be discussed in the upcoming sessions, right? So now we will discuss what is meant by the course outcomes. You people had know for every course we are having 5 outcomes. So here in our course, that is cryptography and network security, is having 5 units. So for each 5 units we are having 1 unit, 1 course outcome was listed here. The first unit, as I stated earlier, the outcome of unit 1 is, so which means after learning the course cryptography network security, that is from first unit, after at the end of first unit, you people can examine the methods of various classical as well as the modern encryption techniques. On the unit 2 outcome, so at the end of unit 2, you people can able to, that is, you people in the sense is nothing but learners, right? So apply the concepts of number theory in key generation. And in unit 3 is about discuss about the various authentication scheme as well as the digital signatures along with the MAC algorithms. Unit 4, we are going to gain some knowledge in various forms of network security, but we people are using those things, but we are not aware of the security part. Unit 5, at the end of unit 5, you will feel the effects of, you can able to analyze the effects of intrusion and viruses and the necessity for firewalls, and how we are going to give various levels of network security. We are going to provide security in various levels. So those things will be discussed on unit 5. So this was the overview of our course cryptography network security.